Percents. After watching this video, I will be able to calculate the percentage. A percent is basically another way of writing a fraction, and the highest percent would be a whole, like a whole pizza or a whole pie, and that would be 100%. So that would be one whole. Now, when we're trying to find the percent of a number, we have to think of the idea that part over whole is the same or equal to a percent, whatever that percent may be, over 100. And then we have key words to kind of give us an idea of what the part or the whole is. So a key word for the whole is of. So whenever I see of and a number that comes after of, that's kind of like a clue telling me that we're talking about the whole. And then the part, the key word is. So if I'm reading this problem, what percent of 45 is 11, I can set up a proportion to solve for the percent. So I could say the part, which is 11, of 45, which is the whole, is going to equal to the percent. I don't know what the percent is, so I'm just going to use a variable, my unknown, and then always over 100 because your percentage is usually out of 100%, just like your test. So then once you have that, you can set up a proportion. So now we can cross multiply 11 times 100 and then equals 45 times x. So we will have 1100 equals 45x. Solve for x by dividing 45. So when I go into my calculator, I would get x is equal to 24.4444, etc. And then I will round to the nearest tenth. So that's the first number after the decimal point. So I will look at that second number after the decimal point and determine whether this goes up or stays the same. So my answer would be 24.4%. So in this example, we want to find the part. So again, part over whole is equal to percent, and whatever that percent may be, over 100. My key words, I know that 82% is the percentage, and I know that the keyword of is representing my whole. So I'm going to fill in my proportion. Part, I don't know what it is, so I will use a variable. My whole is 1, 1, 1, and then the percent is 82 over 100. And then we will cross multiply in order to solve. Divide by 100. X will equal 91.02%. in this example, I want to find the whole. So again, I'm going to use my part over whole equals a percent over 100. And then my keywords for part is. So 28 is would be my part. My keyword for whole is of. So my keyword for of. And then my percentage. So now I'm going to fill in the information I know into my proportion. My part is 28. My whole is unknown because of what? So I'm going to make it a variable. Equals, my percentage is 82. And then percents are out of 100, so over 100. Cross multiply. So I'll have 28 times 100 equals x times 82. So 82 times x. 28 times 100 is 2,800. And then you will divide by 82 to get x by itself. So x will equal 34.146 ... And then I will round to the nearest tenth, meaning the first number after the decimal. So I will look at the second number to determine whether it goes up or down. So my answer will be 34.1%.